All right, so it's been a really action-packed 2 months with everything that's going on here. Picked up a new lathe, quite a heavy, monstrous one, if that. It's actually quite long, and we've been trying to tidy up the garage, but obviously that's not really working. So I've been doing a lot of 3D printing, as you can probably see, and probably thinking, what are we 3D printing? Well, I'm about to show you. So I've been working on this. Now what this has got a screw knob, and I designed everything here but the knob itself. So the knob come from Thingiverse, the rest of it I designed, and what it is it's actually an adjustable in height rotary tool or dremel holder, which is actually going to go on the lathe. I'm actually 3D printing right now a quick release little adapter that slides into the tool post. Then it's going to connect on the bottom of here, so I can just slot this thing in, adjust the height where I need to, and that's it. It's actually got quite the adjustment depth. It's probably got about 300 mil of adjustment, made up of multiple 3D printed parts and some scrap aluminum tubing, threaded rod, a few nuts and bolts, and a little bit of elbow grease. It's got some stainless hardware as well. So yeah, all you're going to do is adjust the knob to raise and lower the height, and it basically relies on this piece here to keep everything vertical and horizontal and plumb, which I thought was actually quite an ingenious idea, because instead of relying on multiple things, you're just relying on one piece here. And yeah, it's lightweight, and the reason I designed it is I had no way to cut a keyway. So if I ever needed to cut a little slot in like a bit of, you know, PVC tube or plastic, or some really like a real shallow cut in a bit of steel, I can do it provided I've got the right bit in the Dremel. It may not last, you know, a lifetime, but it's the only way to do it. I'm not going to bother drilling a bunch of small little shallow holes and trying to use a little file and file it out. So that's it. It's going to look actually really nice once it's done. I've got to drill the holes to attach the handle, and I've also got to drill 2 little holes to attach this to that, but that's actually a pretty snug fit. So that's it, the adjustable little Dremel holder for a lathe. Now you could just mount this on a base and use it as some sort of a little drill press, provided you've got bits for your Dremel. So anyway, that's what we've been coming up with. You know, I'm pretty happy with how it's all turned out. Yeah, really simple and easy. So you can see the home workshop is still a pretty messy place. Yeah, anyway, but yeah, it's going to look really nice when it's done. Just like I said, 3D printing the little quick release adapter for the tool post on the lathe. So yeah, anyway, if you like this video or thought the idea was, you know, decent enough for you, please give it a like and a comment and tell me what you thought, and we'll check in with everyone when it's done in the next video.